The 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is powered by a supercharged 6.2-litre V-8 engine that produces an impressive 668 horsepower. A quick-shifting 10-speed automatic is available, but a magnificent 6-speed manual is standard. This Cadillac is ready for battle thanks to its limited slip differential, launch control with a line lock feature, and performance traction management, which enables a proficient driver to handle tight turns while applying full power. For those occasions when you just want to cruise, standard magnetorhier logical dampers read the road surface and your driving intention and adapt the Blackwing to provide a comfortable on-road ride. The CT5-V Blackwing's EPA fuel economy ratings are 13 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on highway. When equipped with the optional automatic gearbox, the highway fuel economy estimate is reduced to 21 miles per gallon when the 6-speed manual gearbox is used. Our manual gearbox test car achieved an amazing 24 miles per gallon on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route. The CT5-V Blackwing and the standard CT5 share the same cabin, which is quite spacious but lacks the luxurious feel one would expect for the price. The CT5-V Blackwing's dashboard features a 33.0-inch LCD panel with an amazing 9K resolution. Part of the display is dedicated to the touchscreen infotainment system, which runs a Google-based operating system with built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant, as well as access to the Google Play App Store. The infotainment system also has a supplementary rotary controller on the center console for drivers who do not want to touch the screen. New Cadillac apps provide a dyno-style graph of power and torque, as well as readouts for tire temperature and engine information. The Performance Data Recorder has a lap analysis mode that allows you to store your best laps, analyze a speed trace, speed versus total kilometers on track, and display additional data on the dashboard or head-up display. Wireless smartphone charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, onboard Wi-Fi, and a 16-speaker AKG sound are all standard features.